The reports linking Relebogile Mofokeng to a move to Barcelona is still making the headline as the Orlando Pirates coach shared his view on it. The European giants are still said to be interested in bringing the South African international to Spain, and their B-team coaches are already monitoring the Buccaneers' youngster progress in the Premier Soccer League this campaign. The 20-year-old has been on top of his game since being promoted to the Orlando Pirates senior side in 2022 to 2023 season, and his performance hasn't gone unnoticed by big teams in Europe and Africa. The Orlando Pirates coach in the DStv Disney Challenge, Joseph Makanya, has commented on the recent reports linking Relebogile Mofokeng to a move to a La Liga giant Barcelona. Makanya, who once coached Mofokeng, while speaking to the news, the South African mentor believes that the Bafana Bafana star has all it takes to play for the Catalans and succeed there. He said that we want to see Rele succeed and accomplish his ambition of playing in the Europe, which is something we didn't do while playing. Makanya wants to see a player he once coached play for big clubs like Barcelona, even if it is Scottish Giants Rangers. That is why he approves of Mofokeng joining one of the two European sides. He continues saying, now I want a player I have managed to play for the top side like Barcelona, maybe Rangers in Scottish League as the report says. If there's a possibility for a move to happen at a young age, why not? We wish to see the boys play abroad so they can compete against the best in the world, as he said. That's it for today. Please place your views on the comment option. I'll catch you on the next video.